Hi everybody, I hope this video finds all of you well. I know it's been a rough start to the new year in terms of a lot of you are working in K-12 schools. Um, Hopefully you've been able to go to school some days, but I know we always battle weather. As we look towards Saturday, I'm hoping that the weather will kind of settle down here a little bit. As the forecasts say now, it looks like we're fairly good to go, but I do understand that a lot of you travel, so I'll keep a close eye out on that. But I just wanted to kind of remind you this week, now, all of the information that is up on our screen are really the topics that we're going to be talking about on Saturday. So there really isn't any new assignment per se, but just kind of look at the Mills, oops, look at the Mills readings and those kinds of things, and just to review a little bit. You'll see I did post a new research article critique here. You guys, I will be explaining that on Saturday. So again, don't worry about it or anything like that. All of this is for that. So my one thing that I would probably tell everybody is that as you prepare now to submit some new assignments, do check with Moodle, or I don't know if Moodle has changed or just in terms of how we're doing it and so forth, but some of your assignments that you have submitted were only marked as drafts. So make sure that if you go submit something and maybe you'll make changes and then you want to go back, that's fine. But make sure you fully submit the assignments. Everybody's fine, but just keep that in mind as we proceed forward. As we look at some of the things that you have, I guess I'll go down this way. Notice that your reflection journal, that is due a week from Thursday, so if you have any questions about that, we can discuss those on Saturday as well. But what we'll do is we'll kind of get you ready for the research article, and then we'll be looking at this, the aspect of really our focus will be the writing of the research questions, locating resources of research and what that means and what that looks like, and then kind of the beginnings of giving you some information on how to write a literature review. So hopefully I think you'll find Saturday very beneficial. We will be meeting in N0 47, Lego Mercino Hall. Just a word of warning, we are going through now our heavy-duty renovations, and so basically the north wing of the Lego Mercino Hall is kind of cut off to traffic. So we're still meeting in the same room that you have previously for us, but you have to access that room by going in different parts of the building. So if you're familiar with the circle drive, what we call it, on the east side of the building, if you enter through those doors, that would be the best. And then there's kind of a staircase hidden down. You could take the elevator down. There's an elevator there. If you keep going to the left of that elevator before you go out the next set of doors, and to the right there's some stairs down, and then I think once you get down there, turn left and you'll be able to find it. Or if you come from the west side, just enter the loading dock area. Instead of going left into the doors, go right, and then when you go right, there's stairs there, and then that will take you kind of down. But just be aware of that and be aware of kind of traffic flow with that. I will start promptly at 10, so please kind of try to travel accordingly. We'll start at 10. I'll try to get you out of here easily by 3 o'clock, and hopefully we'll leave the day with kind of our marching orders in terms of the next few weeks now with the course and things, and keep moving you. One thing that I do need you to do before Saturday, you guys, please look at the assignment on your area of focus and your area of focus and your research questions. Those were a couple weeks ago, but I think it was actually, excuse me, it was here, identifying an area of focus. I really want you to bring your research questions with you. Question or questions. If you have that on some, like if you've done it in Google Doc or if you've done it on whatever, if you can bring an electronic copy of it and just bring it on your iPad or your laptop, that would be great. Otherwise, if you would just bring it in a file so that you can load it quickly on one of our computers, that would be great too. Okay, we are going to do an activity with those, and if you don't have them, it's going to be hard to do the activity. And just remember, it's a draft. They're draft. This is the part we're just going to kind of go over together and figure out together as we move forward. Okay, so that's where we are on Saturday. I think things are moving along very, very well, or I hope for you. Again, it's a little bit different than maybe some of your other classes. We'll talk about that on Saturday, and I'll be glad to change up if you need something clearer, whatever. I want you to be successful in the class. So with that, I think that's all, and I will certainly look forward to seeing you on Saturday, and I think we'll enjoy the day together, and we'll have a lot to get accomplished. So for now, I guess just stay warm and stay safe, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.